is our little camp. I'm going to figure out how to put my boat in the water tomorrow because it's a steep bank, but I should manage. I don't actually know if you can see anything, but try not to get pulled in.
Yeah.
We're slowly going to crash it down. Hold, take the tension of that rope.
Are you?
Effort. That's getting ready for tomorrow morning, and maybe there'll be footage of us dragging up this bank tomorrow. Let's get going. Oh, we're on straight away. Oh, we missed it. Fuck. I think he's off. Try it. Oh, you still got it? Oh, is that yellow belly? Oh, it's just in a big bit yellow. It's alright, still good. Oh, that's huge. I reckon that's your PB carp too.
Really?
Yeah, look at the size of it. Okay. Big carp for super less. Will the supermoon help us catch more cod? What do you reckon?
Yes.
Yes? Mm-hmm. Oh, well, I hear the bell. Oh yeah, we're on. Cod on here. Nah, but I'm gonna just pull him this way.
Oh my god.
You want to run down that way?
Go down?
Yeah, go.
Go?
Yeah, go in there. Thanks, super lass. I'll just come down and grab my lip. Oh! He's giving me the old crocodile twist. Oh! You little shit. Nice cod. I'll go to your measure. Good first cod. One cod, about half an hour. That's not bad. Chuck that back on. Work it down this way. Oh, alright.
The line nearly caught my hair.
Let's try it. Oh, is it? Oh!
Wow.
Oh, yeah, it's a big one. Jesus.
Oh my god.
Good fish.
Big boy. Bye. Bye, big boy.
Goodbye to Natira's 80 centimetre, 79.
Awesome.
Now we've got some shrimp. We're going block of cheese and one shrimp cocktail. Yep, just went to pull the rod in, we've got a fish. Trying not to fall in.
Small? Oh yeah.
He was caught in a snag, that's why he was, we thought he was just nibbling.
See, I told you.
Oh, now he's kicking off.
Wanna jump in?
I'll bring
That
him,
way again?
bring him down by the boat.
You need to get on the net?
Nah, I've got the lip grips. They always go in there, went in there last time too. I just jump on the boat. Oh, I've got your little net on the boat here. Oh, it's quite a nice one.
Oh, that's my small jet.
Yeah, pretty nice fish. Alright, see you later everybody. Good release. The supermoon is working.